Hi guys, today we'll trade on the Quotex platform, and before we start I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. Let's start trading with a balance of $80 and choose a currency that will give us a higher payout percentage. Here we can open our dealer to reduce the price, as now we see the price was in an overbought state for a long time. So now we will have a red candle on the impulse of a red candle with a trend reversal, after which we will expect a recovery at a level of support and resistance of formation. Therefore now we can wait for our deal to close. So we successfully closed the deal and continue our trade. Choose another currency pair. Here we also see that the price was overbought. Here we can open our deal to reduce the price, as we see that support and resistance lines were formed, and an uptrend, a reversal from the impulse of the red candle to the downtrend is expected. As we see, there is an impulsive trend movement, so now we can successfully close the deal on red candle. Let's wait for our trade to close. Great, we successfully closed the deal, and let's continue our trade. So we can open our trade to reduce the price here. Now we see that for a long time the price was in an overbought state. We have an uptrend. We see that impulsive movement we have in the market from candle patterns. So now we started to move from the impulse of the red candle, push for a trend reversal, and now we are waiting for the formation of resistance lines. So let's wait for the completion of the deal. And we successfully closed the deal. Let's continue our trade. Here we can open our deal to reduce the price, and now on the moment we can open our deal. We see that we have formed support and resistance levels, just like we see more than once the middle lines of the alligator indicator. We had a sideways movement and crossed each other. Also after the correction, support and resistance levels were formed, but now from impulsive candle we see more that there is a sideways movement, so now we can close our deal by the sequence. And we successfully closed the deal and continue trading. So let's open our deal for an increase in the price, as now we see that the price had reached an unbought state, where after the next correction there was a sideways movement of the price, where now we see that the trend begins again after the sideways movement, so we can expect on a reversal from the resistance line push and aim to climb the trend. Now let's wait for the trade to close. It was the great deal. And continue trading. Let's open a double deal to reduce the price here. So now we see that the price was an overbought state, where we have an uptrend and impulsive red candle with a long barrel is formed. This tells us about trend reversal for a correction to avert the price and the formation formation of support resistance lines. As now we see a small correction in the price. Let's wait for the completion of the deal. It was successful deal, so continue trading. Let's open 3 trades for a decrease in the price. Here we see that the trend is up and the price is at resistance, so now we can expect a price change on the impulse of the red candle with a trend reversal where correction can occur, so we can close our deals at the end of this time frame. Let's wait for the end. Successfully close the deals and continue trading. Here we can also open our trades for the entire amount, as we see that the price from the support and resistance level was in an upward state. The impulse and movement of the red candle is also expected. So now we expect the trend to be displayed. We expect the reversal of the moving orders, and on this we can successfully complete our deal. And we successfully closed the trades. Open the last trade for today. Let's open our trades here. As we see from the underboard state, the trend begins to rise. Let's wait for the time frame, and here we can open for the entire amount for the trend essence. As now we see that the moving averages and the parabolic trend begin to rise. We see the formation of a shadow for the purchase. So now we can successfully close our trade at a trend reversal, bouncing off the support level. Let's wait for our trade to close. Unfortunately, we closed some deals at zero, but we still got a profit anyway. So I believe the strategy is successful. So therefore, I recommend you my private channel with my own strategy. You can find it by link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.